the pace when I'm running. I always.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to make money from selling data. All right, then without wasting much of our time, we'll be looking at this website. That's the website we'll be making use of to run our data selling. Okay, so the name of the website is VTUEmpire.com. All right, so this is the website. You can see how it looks. What you can do on the website, you can buy airtime, you can buy data, buy electricity, cable TV, bulk SMS, and recharge card printing. Okay, so this is how it looks. So let's just go to where the pricing are. Okay, so you can see MTN data 500 MB for 120, and this for 140. You can see this for 250, and so on and so forth. So this is the website. Okay, with this website, in a day you can make up to 5,000 naira. You can make up to 5,000 naira, depending on your audience and your selling strategy. Okay, so what you need to do is to register if you haven't registered. So just walk you through the process of registering. Okay, so this is you just put in your details here. Put in your details here and your address, referral name if you have one, then you type in your password, you confirm the password, you agree with the terms, and then you move on. Okay, so it's authenticating. All right, so you sign in. So that you just sign in. Enter your correct. Okay. So you sign in, and after signing in, you can see how your dashboard looks like. Okay, so I don't have any money here. I'm just walking you through the process with a new account so that you can see how it actually works. All right, so after signing in, all you need to do is to fund your wallet. So it's easy as ABCD. Okay, so you can fund your wallet through this means. You can fund with Paystack with your ATM card, or still with your ATM card. Fund with your payment gateway. You know this. Then automated bank transfer. You have to add 15 naira when you're transferring the money. Okay, so let's see what's this one. Okay, so when you want to fund, they'll ask you to set up a pin. So I'm just going to set up my pin. So you save the pin, and then you can fund your wallet. You can use the Paystack option, put the amount you want to recharge. I'm not going to recharge now. So you can see the charge for Paystack is 100 naira. Okay, for this, let's see what this one is. Okay, so fund with Monify. Their charge is 75 naira. And then fund with what's it called, bank transfer. You can use your mobile app or USSD to do that. So you transfer that money to the account number that will be displayed on yours, okay. And I think you add the 15 naira to the bank transfer. Okay, so this is Wema Bank and this is Relax Bank. All right, this is the bank name is Money Points Microfinance. It will pop up once you want to do a fund transfer, once you want to fund your wallet. Okay, so once you are done with funding your wallet, the next thing is to start marketing your data plans. Okay, so you really don't need them to actually buy first before you you really don't need them to buy first before you start funding your wallet, so you don't have any delay in transaction. You don't want delayance because you don't want to tarnish your business. Once you delay, people start looking at you as if you have you're a fraud. Okay, so now I can't do anything because I don't have money in my account. Okay, so also you send your customers this code here, okay, for them to check their data balance. All right, so that's that. So let us see how much one can earn in a day if you were to do this transaction. Okay, so now for MTN data plan, you can see the pricing. Okay, so you can actually take this screenshot and upload it on your status on Facebook or on Instagram, whatever social platform you put it on there so that people know that you're selling data. Okay, so for MTN data plan, it's if 500, we're selling it at 250. Okay, 1 gig we're selling for 350 or 700. I will explain why I did this. Just stay tuned to the end of this video. For 2 gig 600, 1000. For 3 gig 900, 12. 5 gig 1350, 2000. And all this is valid for 30 days. You can see that of Airtel too. You can see 30 days, that's our selling price. Okay, then for 9mobile and Glow, this is the pricing also. Okay, so these are the pricing for it. You can see that there is difference. In this video, I want to let us know something. This is a secret. First of all, I want to thank you for staying this long and watching this video. Okay, and now I'll divulge this secret to you. this 9mobile and Glo, they are, when I did my research, they're really not profitable, especially this ones here, except this 11 gig and this 14 gig. I think this one also. But they're almost the same price with what one can just sit on the comfort of their house and dial the code and buy it. You'll get it at the same price. Okay, so you just make little, maybe 20, 15 error thereabout. But with this two, you're guaranteed profit of 200, if I'm not mistaken, to 200. Okay, so that's a secret. So you need to focus more on MTN especially. Okay, you need to focus more on MTN especially, and Airtel too. Okay, so you can see Airtel. That's why I have the screenshot. If you dial the code for buying data plan for Airtel *141#, this is what's going to pop up. Okay, so you can see they don't have 500 MB. We do. Then the 1 gig, though theirs is 1.5 gig, you can actually sell it at the rate of 700. Okay, actually sell the 1 gig at the rate of 700, or you can sell it at 450, 500. Just sell it in between these figures. You're going to make a whole lot of profit. So by the time you put these pictures, this is the marketing strategy, the secrets that I'm giving to you now. Okay, so this is the secrets that I'm giving to you because you have stayed to this moment. So by the time you put this picture side by side, well, the person is going to actually say, well, this is cheaper than buying the regular data from the Airtel platform, okay, or the MTN or whatever platform. Okay, then you have your 2 gig. Look at how much we're selling it. Look at how much we're selling it. We're selling at 800, 1000. Airtel is selling for 1.2. And remember our website, look at how much we're getting it on our website. Look at how much we're getting it on our website. So pricing. Okay, so you can see okay, we're on Airtel, right? Okay, Airtel. Okay. So the Airtel for 1 gig, we're getting it at 350, right? We're getting it at 350. And then we're getting it at 350. And then we are selling at, if you don't want to make, it depends on your audience. If your audience are very, don't have like that, so like 450, making 100 naira gain. Okay, but by the time you put this picture side by side, this is the secret I want to give to you. Time you put it side by side, remember we're getting it at 350. And okay, let's use the one that is here so that we are not confused, because of this is 1 gig and this is 1.5. Okay, so let's use 2 gig. 2 gig we're getting at 2 gig we're getting it at 2 gig we're getting it at 700, whereas we're selling at 800 if you want to be minimal, and 700 and 1000. Okay, so by the time you sell it at 1000, that's 300 naira gain. Okay, 300 naira gain. And I'm not going to buy one, so since you're selling at 1,000. You're not going to buy at 1,2. So you already have 300. So imagine that this 2 gig, at least you should know, if your marketing is very strong, you should at least in a day sell the data to at least 10 people. At least 10 people. And when you sell to 10 people, let's calculate how much it's going to be. So 10 people, right, times 300 naira. Okay. That's 3,000. Just at the comfort of your home, you're just posting. So you're getting 3,000 naira daily. In a week, okay, in a week, you're getting what? 21,000 naira. Just in a week. And if you multiply that in a month, which is 4 weeks, you have 84,000. So you're sitting at the comfort of your home and you're doing this, you have 84,000, which you would even earn more. You can't limit yourself. We have over one, okay, let's say we have 200 people that we meet or we know on a daily, that 200 people we always top up, always buy data. Let's say in that 200 people, 100 people actually bought from you. Remember, you have to be aggressive. 100 people actually bought from you. Okay? That's 30,000 in a day. And when you times it by 30 days, what you have? You have 900,000. You have 900,000 naira in a month. So I don't think that we should remain poor this year. None of you, my subscribers, will remain poor this year. I'm going to always bring to you content that will help you make money. Just subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get this. Once the market becomes saturated, it's hard to actually penetrate. Okay, so if you'll be making this figure just at the comfort of your home, still doing other works, other jobs. Okay, so let us take advantage of this. Same thing goes for MTN. It's just the same thing. Okay, so it's just the same thing. If you need this picture, okay, you need this picture to help you run your business, to help you run your ad, okay, on your status, okay, you can just drop a comment that Forex Hub, I need this template. Okay, so drop a comment, Forex Hub, I need this template, and I will share you a link of how you can download it. Okay, thank you. I don't want this video to be too long. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.